Welcome to the first ever OPT7 vlog series geniusly titled Behind the Lens. My name's Stephen O and I'm coming to you from the OPT7 studio in sunny Southern California. Well, actually it's just kind of a makeshift thing in the back, but that's besides the point. The purpose of this video and the many to follow are to share our experience, our knowledge with you, our customers, brethren, neighbors. That being said, this journey will be one entirely based in the pursuit of knowledge. LED lighting as an automotive application is basically in its infancy. Viable LED headlight solutions have only really been made available in the last 5 years or so. So there's so much that we're learning along the way, and we want you to share in that knowledge as well. So the next time you're upgrading your headlights or fog lights or anything on your vehicle with LED lighting, you know exactly what you're looking for and exactly what to pay for it. The purpose of this video series specifically is going to be regarding the top 5 myths revolving around the aftermarket LED lighting. Number 1, LED lighting is always brighter than halogen. Now, come on. Just like halogen, just like any product, there is always going to be a performance range. Often that's based on application. Sometimes it's just a matter of the product's age. But LED is not always brighter than halogen. Number 2, LED lighting solutions last forever. We can understand why you might have this belief, but it's not true. LED lighting can last 3 to 4 times longer than halogen, but that doesn't mean it doesn't fail. Number 3, lumens is what matters most. No doubt if you've been browsing around Amazon or eBay or any web store for LED automotive lighting, you'll notice the only piece of information that is given to you that's highlighted in big red letters is the lumen count. But we're going to show you why that is not the only thing that matters. Number 4, all LED headlight solutions are created equal. It's easy to see that. Many of the LED designs look the same. They all boast 4 and 5-star rankings. Everybody loves them. It's the new thing. But not all of them are created equal. It very much matters, much like a vehicle, what's under the hood. And we're going to show you what to look for. Number 5, all LED headlight solutions are specifically built for automotive applications. Now, this may very well be the number 1 myth we aim to dispel in this series, because almost none of them are. Many of them are simply bulb stems with LED diodes on them, made to look like LED headlight, or made to look like automotive bulbs, but really they're not designed, optimized for headlight applications. And we're going to show you why that matters. If you recently upgraded or plan to upgrade your headlights or fog lights to LED, no doubt some of these myths sound familiar. There are probably questions you asked yourself in your head. The truth is, everyone's asking these questions. After reviewing tens of thousands of Amazon, eBay, and other web store product reviews, it's become painfully clear that there simply is not enough unbiased material for you to make an informed decision. And so that leads us to our mission, to gather, discuss, and spread the truth about automotive LED headlights.
I just want to take the opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for watching, listening, liking, and especially for subscribing. Our hope is that you will tune in for part 2 of our deep dive into the myths of LED headlights.